now we're going to use synthetic division to divide these polynomials. So I'm going to start by setting what we're dividing by equal to 0. And so x equals 6. Remember, we draw the big L and we put 6 on the outside. And then this one isn't missing anything. We have x squared, x, and a number. So we just bring those down. 1, negative 3, negative 18. Bring down the 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Multiplied those, and that goes up there. And then I add, so I'm going down this way now. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. Now I multiply by the 6 on the outside again. 6 times 3 is 18. And then I add. And remember, this last one is our remainder. It happens to be 0, so we have no remainder. We start 1 degree less, so 1x plus 3. X plus 3. Okay, number 17. Set what we're dividing by equal to 0. Subtract 2, so x equals negative 2. We're going to draw our big L, put negative 2. Now you'll see that this is missing a lot of things. We have x to the 5th and we have x. So we have 1, that's for x to the 5th. Okay, it doesn't have an x to the 4th, an x cubed, or an x squared. Does have an x, so 1 goes here. And it also doesn't have a constant. It doesn't have a number out at the end. So for all those things it doesn't have, we're going to just put 0, 0, 0, 0. Put zeros anywhere you don't have something. Now we follow the same process. Bring down the 1, negative 2, add. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, add. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, add. Negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16, add. Negative 2 times 17 is negative 34, add that. The one here at the end is our remainder, and everything else we just start 1 degree less. So x to the 5th starts at x to the 4th. So we have 1x to the 4th minus 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 8x plus 17 plus negative 34 over what we divided by, which was x plus 2. Okay, look at number 18. Number 18 is a little bit different. We still set what we're dividing by equal to 0. Solve for x. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Our x equals negative 2. That's what we put outside. Negative 2. Remember, we have a special number. We've been talking about it. We said once we get down here to the end, we're going to divide everything by 2. Divide by 2. So cube squared x constant. So 2, 10, 4, negative 8. Bring that down. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Add 6. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Add. Negative 2 times negative 8 is 16. Okay, we have a remainder of 8, and we're going to divide everything except that remainder by 2. So 1, 3, negative 4. The remainder is still 8, and we'll go 1 degree less. So x cubed goes to x squared. So 1x squared plus 3x minus 4 plus your remainder over what you divided by. In this case, 2x plus 4. Okay, number 19, same idea. We have our magic number. We're going to divide by 2 when we're done. Everything except the remainder equals 0. Subtract 1, subtract 1. 2x equals negative 1. So x is negative 1/2. Okay, that goes on the outside. Cube squared x constant. Okay, bring this down. Negative 2. Negative 1/2 times negative 2, it's positive, and half of 2 is 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. Negative 1/2 times 12, it's negative, and half of 12 is 6. Negative 8 plus negative 6 is negative 14. Negative, negative, it's positive, and half of 14 is 7. We add and we get 0. We're going to divide everything except our remainder by 2. So we get negative 1, 6, and negative 7. and we go from cubed to squared. So we start at squared right here. Negative 1x squared plus 6x minus 7. And since the remainder is 0, we don't need to put anything.